Hello, my name is Eliana. This is my routine. I always get up at 5 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower at quarter past 6. I go to work. I work from 6 to half past 2. When I get off work, I go home. And about 3 o'clock, am home resting. Um, and at 5 I go to university. I'm at the university until about 9. And always on Thursdays I go to for a few bars with my classmates. He got home at about half past 11 and I go to sleep.